Good afternoon. It's a rather cloudy scene across the British Isles at the moment. There are two distinct areas of cloud that we're keeping a close eye on. One that we've already got, and this other darker band of cloud out in the Atlantic. That's a cold front, and that'll become more important during tomorrow. That lighter area of cloud across us is a warm front, and it brought some rain during the morning, but that heavier rain has now moved away, as you can see on the weather radar, drifting away to the southeast. It's leaving quite a lot of cloud, particularly around the southern and western coast. Misty, drizzly weather there. Best chance of any brightness further across in the east, but even here there could be some low cloud and some mist coming in off the North Sea every now and again. Perhaps the best chance of the sun up in northeastern parts of Scotland, with one or two showers tracking across the Northern Isles. Now, the winds are a lot lighter than they were yesterday, but they will play an important part today, particularly along the northeast coast, because if you watch the wind arrow diagrams very carefully, you'll see that eventually the wind does start to come in off the North Sea, and of course that is quite chilly at this time of year, so temperatures along that northeastern coast probably not getting above double figures. Elsewhere they're being pegged back by the cloud, but they may well just about manage 11 or 12 degrees this afternoon. Now tonight, very little changing out to the west, and in the east, where the cloud sheet will break, there could well be a touch of ground frost with clear skies and light winds. The air temperature is generally staying above freezing, although even the air temperature could get very close to zero up in the northeast Highlands. Now, Thursday's weather map, it's this cold front that we're keeping a very close eye on, because that's the one that'll bring the more persistent and heavy rain. It's really going to take its time to move in from the west, probably not reaching the eastern side of the British Isles until well on into the day, perhaps even into the evening after dark. So a bit of brightness around earlier on in the day could lift temperatures up a bit. Into Good Friday, and you can see things begin to grind to a halt over the British Isles, and really that's indicating a rather cloudy Easter holiday. Not surprisingly, really, it must know the weather that there's a holiday weekend coming up. But Good Friday looks as though generally quite a cloudy day with outbreaks of rain. Some of that rain could well turn out to be quite heavy in places, and quite misty too up on the high ground. Not the best of weather to start the Easter weekend. Still quite a bit of cloud around on Saturday, still some heavy bursts of rain, but we will find some drier, brighter weather begin to push in to the southwest. We'll also find some drier, brighter weather getting into the far southeast of Scotland as well, but it will feel quite chilly around the coast, so perhaps not the best place to be. As we move ahead into Sunday and come to that Monday, we've got this weather front close by, low pressure area as well, so it's going to stay quite cloudy. Cool, particularly on the east coast. Generally quite a windy day, I think. Certainly Sunday, those winds easing on Easter Monday. Could even be a touch of frost around, but eventually some brighter, showery weather getting into the southwest, and that brighter weather still in northeast Scotland.